Hey guys, welcome to another video. So this is another challenge video and I've been really enjoying my challenges. So here I am back with another challenge. This is a no mirror makeup challenge. So I'm just going to insert a clip right here of the workspace and you can see that there is no mirror whatsoever. I don't have my small hand mirror, I don't have the big mirror that I work with, and also so that there is no cheating involved whatsoever, I have turned the camera viewfinder away, and that also you can see in this clip. And so without any further ado, let's get right into the challenge, and I'll try and keep it as short as possible. The challenge videos normally go on and on and on, but I will try and wrap it up as soon as possible today. So I've finished my morning skincare and I'm starting off with this PAC Zero Pore Separation Cream. It is a primer and this is going to be easier because I just have to use my fingers and put it on my face. So T-zone and then now time for some concealer. So I'm using this Freedom Pro Conceal Stick and this is in light medium shade MC05. I don't know how this is going to look. I'm not going to use a corrector. I know I'm definitely looking funny because this is, I think, way too light for me. Have fun! I normally don't use so much concealer. You guys need to help me. I have no idea of what I'm blending, where I'm blending. Can I stop blending? Is that okay? I don't know. Let me just stop. And then for foundation, I'm using this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer. This is in number 7 Sand, and I'm just going to shake it a bit. And I'm taking 2 pumps. Let's see how this goes. I have absolutely no idea. You guys, you need to help me, man. Don't sit and laugh at me. Help me. Using fingers and hands is actually much better than using tools when you don't have a mirror in front of you. But it's a challenge and that's what the challenge is all about. I'm really blending it. I don't know if there are patches left on the face, but I'm trying my best. So I'm just going to powder my entire face with this luxury powder from Ben Nye. This is in the shade Beige Swede. And first I'm going to powder my under eyes like I always do. And I'm going to use a small flat eyeshadow brush. I don't know if I'm setting it with the creases. Now with the same powder and a big fluffy powder brush, just going to set the rest of my face. The best part is whatever products I'm using also, they don't have a mirror, so at least till now. Even if there's a mirror, I won't cheat. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows. The first thing I'm going to use is this shade from the Ben Nye Essential Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to fill in my brows. Only God knows what's going to happen. So let's just pray to God and try our best. Oh my God, this is... I thought it's going to be a little bit easier than this, but I never thought of eyebrow and eyes. Coming to the other side, I'm trying to imagine where my eyebrows are. Are they dark enough? Are they filled in? What do you think? I have no idea what I'm doing. That's the best I could do. So on the eyes, I'm going to use the same shade on a fluffy blending brush and I'm just going to go on the outer corner, and I will also go into the crease. For makeup, you do need a mirror. You cannot do everything without a mirror. I've been doing my lipstick without a mirror for a long time. So lipstick is still okay with me, but I have never ever done all this without a mirror. I don't know what's happening, but I'm trying my best. And then I'm just going to use this highlight shade right here from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Medium to Tan Contour Kit, and you can see there is no mirror whatsoever in the products that I'm using. So I'm just going to take that So on purpose I have chosen products that do not have a built-in mirror so that there is no scope of temptation to see what's going on. It's like I'm putting a lot of pressure on my eyelids because I don't know what's happening. And then I'm just going to take that dark brown shade again, and I'm trying to just blend what I think is a line between those two shadows. What I think, I don't know where the line is. I don't even know if the shadows are touching each other or not. Whoa. And then with the same highlight shade, I'm just going to do a brow bone definition. Let me check where my brow bone is. There. So I'm keeping my eyes closed most of the time because I want you guys to believe that this is a fair and square challenge and there is absolutely no cheating going on. Alright, moving to the lower lash line, I'm just going to take a thin pencil brush and the same highlight shade I'm going to, now I'll have to keep my eyes open. And then what I believe is one fourth of the lower lash line. Things are going into my eyes, but it's okay. And then taking that darker shade, I'm gonna go onto the outer corner. I think I'm gonna look scary. I know my lower lash line shadow is going lower than it should, but I have no control whatsoever. I think that's good. So moving on, I'm using this Arrested for Overstay eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics. Let's pray to God that this does not go into my eyes. How can you do an eyeliner without a mirror? I have no idea, but I'm going to do it. Come on, eyeliner. You've been my best friend since my childhood. You cannot not be good today. How is that? Laughing? Are you laughing at me? Are you laughing at me? That was not close to lash line. I should have opted for no eyeliner look today. What do you guys think? Do we do a wing? Why not? Let's try. I don't know what I'm doing. Do you think I messed it up? I think that's perfect. I got a perfect wing there. Just refining it a little bit more. That's my perfect wing complete. Mascara, and then I'll finish it off with blush, contour, highlight and lips. And then I'm using this Mega Protein Mascara from Wet n Wild Cosmetics, which is already a problematic mascara for me, and I'm using it without a mirror. Let's do this. I have poked myself in the eye so many times with mascara. Not just this one, but in general, a lot of mascaras. What do you think, guys? Perfect, isn't it? Moving on, I'm using the contour palette again. I'm going to use their darkest shade Espresso. I'm just going to give a beautiful contour to my face today. What do you think about nose contour today? Should I do it? Let's just skip it. I'm already looking so pretty today. So pretty. I won't be able to take it if I look prettier than this. Let's move on to blush. And I'm using this HP Fashion Rouge palette from Ben Nye again, and I'm going to use this coral blush today. So using the same brush. I'm just going to take the powder brush and I'm just going to try and blend the blush and contour together because I have no idea what I've done. And then I'm going to use the highlighter again from the contour palette. I'm just going to give a beautiful highlight. I hope this is perfect. And lastly, for the lips, I'm going to line my lips with this beautiful pencil from Calabar. It's in the shade Berry Rose. And I need to sharpen this. Trying to get those precise lines. I'm not going to completely fill it in today. And to finish off the lips and the look, I'm going to use this lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics. It's from their Supreme Lip Creme range. It's in the shade Electric Rose and it's a beautiful shade. Where the hell are my lips? Yeah. So that completes my look. Let me just grab a mirror and come back to you in a second. So I'm back with a mirror and I can't wait to see what I have done. So let's see. not that bad, I must say. That's not so bad. Eyebrows could have been filled in better, but I expected it to be way darker and, you know, not look like a girl's eyebrows. But they look pretty decent, and the mascara has come down a little bit on the inner side, and the liner has a little bit gone up. So with just a few refinements here and there, I think I can just step out of the house. I really enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed this challenge. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this challenge and this look that I've done. I'll just give you a close-up to the face so that you can see exactly what has gone wrong, what has gone right. So thank you so much for being here and watching this entire video, and do leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you again very soon in another cruelty-free video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.